Today I will present the caseworms for the video presentations AGR464. Okay, let's move to the section 1, the understanding the caseworm. In this slide, we'll identifying the caseworms. The descriptions, the caseworms, scientifically known as Nymphohula dipuntalis, is a common pest in wetland rice. It is a small moth with a wingspan of 1 to 1.2 cm, featuring white mouth and black speck on the wings. Next, the shape and color. The full-grown caterpillars are found in tubular cases made out of paddy leaf, attached hanging to the leaf blade. The caterpillars feed on the green tissue on the leaves, causing them to become whitish and peppery with green. Next, we move to the damage caused by caseworm. Impact on paddy. The larvae of the caseworms feed on the green tissue of the leaves, leading to whitish and peppery leaves. The effects: the photosynthetic capacities of the plant, reducing its vigor and yield potential. Next, symptoms of damage. The damage symptoms include full-grown caterpillars found in tubular case made out of paddy leaf, attached hanging to the leaf leaf blade. The leaves become whitish and peppery, affecting the overall health of paddy plant. The last one is confusions with other pests. Damage symptoms can be confused with defoliating insect pests, making it essential to visualize, inspect for the presence of the caseworm. Impact on paddy fields. There are 3 points. The first one is severity of damage. The caseworm is more serious in poorly drained fields, but the damage is rarely serious enough to require management. Second is geographical prevalences. It's mostly reported from eastern Bhutan, indicating its regional impact on paddy cultivation. The third one is management necessity. While the damage is rarely serious, understanding the pest impact is critical for effective pest management strategy. In this slide, we can see prevention and management. There are 4 points in this slide. The first one is integrated pest management. That's what IPMs. The second one, chemical controls, cultural practice, and preventive measure. The integrated pest management IPMs is implementing IPM strategy involves monitoring using natural enemies and employing cultural practice to manage caseworms population effectively. Second one is chemical control. In case where the infection is severe, chemical control use of approved pesticide can be considered, ensuring adherence to safety guidelines and regulation. The third one is cultural practice. Practice such as a proper field drainage and maintaining fields hygiene can contribute to preventing caseworms infestation. The last one is preventive measure. Implementing preventive measures such as early planting and crop rotations can help reduce the risk of caseworm damage. Now we move to the section 2, the caseworms management strategy. In this slide, we can see integrated pest management that stands for IPM. The first point is monitoring. Regular monitoring of paddy fields for the presence of caseworms, its natural enemies, is crucial for effective pest management. Second one is natural enemies. Encouraging the presence of natural enemies such as a predator and parasitoids can help in controlling caseworms population naturally. The third one is cultural practice. Implementing practices like proper water management and maintaining feed hygiene can contribute to reducing castworms infestation. Next is the chemical control measure. Pesticide application. In some infestations, the judicious use of approved pesticides can help in managing castworms populations efficiently. Consideration. Adhering the safety guidelines and regulations while using chemical control measure is essential to minimize environmental impacts and ensure human safety. On this slide, we can see the preventive strategy. The first one is early planting. Early planting of paddy can help in avoiding peak castworm infestation periods, reducing the risk of damage. The second one is crop rotation. Implementing crop rotation practices can disrupt the cycle life of the castworm, reducing its impacts on paddy fields. And the sustainable pest management, there are also 2 points in here. The first one is environmental impact. Sustainable pest management strategy aim to minimize the environmental impact of pest control measure, ensuring the long-term health of paddy fields. Second one is economic viability. Effective pest management contributes to the economic viability of paddy cultivation, preserving yields potentials and reducing production costs. We move to the section 3, castworms control and environmental impact. Environmental considerations. There are 2 points here. The first one is ecosystem impact. Understanding the environmental impact of castworms management strategy is crucial for preserving the ecological balance of paddy fields. The next point is biodiversity conservation. Implementing pest management measures that minimize harm to non-target organisms contribute to biodiversity conservation. Sustainable agriculture practices. Integrated approaches. Integrated pest management with sustainable agricultural practices promotes the overall health and resilience of paddy ecosystem. Next one is soil health. Sustainable practices contributes to maintaining soil health, essentials for the long-term productivity of paddy fields. Next one is the community engagement. The first one is knowledge sharing. Engaging with the local communities to share knowledge about castworm management and sustainable pest control practices fosters collective action for the environmental conservation. The second one is economic viability. Empowering farmers with information and resources for sustainable pest management increase their capacity to protect paddy fields efficiently. Section 4. Castworms management and agriculture sustainability. Sustainable agriculture principles. The first one is resilient ecosystems. Sustainable pest management practice contribute to the resilience and sustainability of paddy ecosystem. The second one is resources conservation. Effective pest control minimizes resources wastage and promotes efficiency resources utilization in paddy cultivation. Long-term impact. Environmental stewardship. Sustainable pest management reflects a commitment to environmental stewardship, ensuring the long-term health of paddy ecosystem. Community well-being. Effective pest controls contributes to the well-being of farming communities, preserving livelihoods and food security. Last but not least, the conclusion and future perspective. Holistic approach. Adopting a holistic approach to caseworms management integrates environmental, economic, and social considerations for sustainable agriculture practices. The second one is continuous innovation. Embracing innovations and research in pest management ensures the development of effective and sustainable solutions for the caseworms control. The last one is collective responsibility. Caseworms management is shared responsibility requiring a collaboration among stakeholders for the long-term sustainability of paddy cultivation. That's all for my presentations. Thank you for your attention.